Wow, wow, wow. Hey, everybody, look at this. Atlanta has finally got some snow this year, and it's been a while. The last time we ever got snow was in 2013, I believe. So, wow, look at all the footprints and all the snow-covered roads here. Well, I'm going to walk around some, and I'm just going to check out the scenery here. And definitely not good conditions out here, so this is not smart if you are in the area of snow. We got about between 1 to 3 inches out here, so yep. We're gonna just walk around here, and it actually stopped snowing, but we got a lot of road covered snows. But yeah, let's just walk around and see what else is what the roads have for us, or the wilderness have for us. Dang, y'all, this is insane right here. Phew. This is definitely insane, and it's not safe, that's for sure. Just gonna, woo. Look at this. I've actually got a handful of snow right here. And this is ice and water, and goodness, man. Woo, yep, this is definitely a way to make snow. Oh, incoming. Oh, never mind. The way you slice it, this is just a handful of snow right here, though. Wow. Everything is a dense forest. Oh. Oh, yep. That is a handful. Well, we got snow roads, and we got a manual win-all for $250. Yep. So this is actually definitely worth it being out here. Whoa, that's a slip. Man, lost my balance there. Oh, God. All right, yep. It is just dense, solid out here. Yep. What a winter wonderland this is. All right, guys. Well, I had fun. So we got about 1 or 3 inches of snow here. So see you guys next time. Let's go. Oh. Take care.